Good morning, class. Today we are going to see chapter number 4 in English grammar subject. This is noun, gender. So we'll see here. Change the gender of the noun and pronoun in the following sentences. So point A, open your book and try to do it with me. The number 1 is the king's bride was a beautiful young woman. So here in the question says that gender of the noun, change the gender of the noun and pronoun. So we'll change here kings in the queen and bride in the bridegroom was a beautiful young woman. So woman will be changed in male. So the queen's bedroom was a beautiful young man. So see the point 2. The emperor received the duke with little respect. So here emperor will change in empress and duke will change in duchess. The emperor received the duchess with little respect. Third point is a gentleman is known by his manners. So gentleman will change in gentlewoman and his will change in her. So point 4 you can see here. Her mother gave her a suit on her birthday. Her will change his, mother, father. Gave her, again her, so it will change in him. A suit on her, his birthday. Point 5. The lion bounded out of the cage and escaped to freedom. So try to complete this part, children, and we'll see the next part. We'll see here. So point number A, 1 to 10 you will complete here. When we talk about the gender of noun, what is gender of noun? We have to think about whether the noun refers to human, animal or non-living object. So when we talk about gender of noun, we'll talk about humans, animals and non-living objects. See here, in case of humans, males and females are always referred to differently. In case of animals, the gender may or may not be used depending upon the situation. So next is plants, although living, are not thought of as male or female and are treated like objects. So what about the plant? Plants are not taking in the part of male or female. It treated like another object. So we'll see the next part. So children, you'll see here about the gender. Gender divided into three parts: masculine, feminine and neutral. Masculine, the male part, human males, males animal. Feminine, human females are female animal. Neutral, non-living things, non-living objects. Animal referred to generally abstract noun as and laughter like kindness. So understand here. Gender specific and gender neutral pronouns. What is gender specific or gender neutral pronoun? Three pronouns in English show gender and they are third person singular. What is it? He, she and also. Okay, three pronouns in English. So gender, masculine he, in spite of he, himself, his. So in spite of she will see her, herself, and the neutral it, also its, itself. These pronouns are gender specific because when they are used in a sentence, we at once know whether they refer to a male, female or non-living things like dog instead of he, and here you can see she, herself, mirror, it. This is the third person singular. So here you'll see the other pronouns do not show gender when they are used in sentence and therefore they are referred to as gender neutral. These are follows: first person singular, I; first person plural, we; second person singular are plural, you; and third person plural, they. So we'll continue this lesson. Try to understand, open your book and try to do it. Thank you, class.